Alright YouTube, what's up? This video here is going to be a quick little video of the unboxing of the Farberware oilless fryer. And today my purpose is only to show you what's coming in the box. I will make another video of something that I cook in here to demonstrate if you actually need oil or no oil. So let's see what we get in a box here. Got a little cookbook here. Hopefully there's some good recipes in there. And we have the cooker itself. Now, we got some little dials here on the top of it. You got your temperature settings. You got 400, 320, 250, and 175. This here will be the timer. Okay, and on the side here, it shows the different temperatures and the different times that you will cook each one. Most people, me myself included, I bought mine for chicken wings, things of that nature. I might do some fish in here, and of course French fries. Okay, and without further ado, let's get started on some more features of this fryer. I have to sit the camera down, bear with me. Got to take the tag off the side that's holding it closed. Okay. Pull it out like so. And there's a button right here. You want to slide that forward and you push it to release the pin. You put everything inside of here. And this basically is a safety precaution because you don't want to pull it out and push that button on an accident and drop that whole thing. So put that in there, slide the button back, put whatever you're cooking in there, close it out, set your time and temperature, and let her go. Well, basically that's it. Let's see what they got in the cookbook here. And of course, what will come first? My favorite things. We got French fries and chicken wings. So the first thing I'm going to be making on here are the French fries. But like I said, that's going to be another video. My demonstration here is to show you what you get when you buy the Farberware airless fryer. And if you like this video, I ask that you please subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have anyone for me, or maybe anything that you would like to see cooked in the airless fryer. I'm sorry, the oilless fryer. Air fryer, oilless fryer. Okay? Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.